SB 8, the Texas Heartbeat Act, bans abortions in the state as early as 6 weeks. It was signed into law in May by Texas Governor Greg Abbott. With his signature, Texas joined 3 other states, Oklahoma, Idaho, and South Carolina, in banning the medical procedure once a heartbeat is detected. So why are we talking about this? Well, in an email, Verify viewer Cassie said she's recently read conflicting reports on whether or not the bill allows abortion in the case of rape or incest, or if the mother's life is in danger. So Cassie, let's verify. Does SB 8, the Texas Heartbeat Act, allow abortions in the case of rape, incest, or if the mother's life is in danger? Our sources: SB 8, the Texas Heartbeat Act, Drusilla Tigner, Policy and Advocacy Strategist for the ACLU of Texas.
The new bill, SB 8, does not allow an exception to the law for rape or incest.
Elizabeth Nash, Principal Policy Associate of State Issues at the Guttmacher Institute.
That would limit abortion up to 6 weeks. And after that, only allow abortions in cases of very serious life endangerment.
And Dr. Joe Poyman, Executive Director for Texas Alliance for Life, a pro-life organization. The legislation doesn't mention allowing abortions in the case of rape or incest, but Section 171.205 does make an exception for medical emergency. According to Poyman, an ectopic pregnancy, which develops in the fallopian tube and not the uterus, is an example of a medical emergency that would warrant an abortion under the law.
The intent, of course, is not to take the life of the child, but to save the mother's life, and an unintended result is that the child will die.
So we can verify no. SB 8, the Texas Heartbeat Act, does not allow abortions in the case of rape or incest, but does make an exception if the mother's life is in danger. SB 8, which is set to go into effect on September 1st, is currently facing opposition from attorneys and physicians in Texas. With your Verify, I'm Ariane Till. Want something verified? Email us or send us a text. To check out more stories like this and sign up for our newsletter, go to verifythis.com.